Think your abs are strong? Try this and find out. Russian twist with plate. V-sit twist. Flutter kicks. V-sit hold. Mountain climbers. Save this and come back stronger. No gym? No problem. This chair workout hits every muscle. Save this and come back stronger. If you want to feel the burn and see results, watch this. Dumbbell low windmill. Scissors cross. Alternate lying floor leg raise. Seated leg raises. Bent knee lying twist. Save this and come back stronger. All you need is your body weight and a pair of dumbbells to crush your abs. 3 sets of 15. 3 sets of 15 each side. 3 sets of 15. 3 sets of 15 each side. 3 sets of 20. Save this and come back stronger. Want to train your core without leaving your room? Start here. This is the best way to start your morning. Save this and come back stronger.